Today we're going to be making some very unrealistic trees that are both cheap and thrifty. Hey everyone, Gabriel with Gabriel's Hobby Studio here. Things that you will need: a sharp knife, snips or scissors, some kind of basing material, cardboard, foam core, bottle caps. I have milk jug caps here that are perfect. Stick around to see why. And plastic garland. The reason for the garland is because each of the imitation leaf sections are just friction fit onto the cord and can be easily pulled off. Another upside is that they are common in all kinds of thrift stores, especially around the holidays. They need not be of Christmas type, but those are the most common. I have a couple of examples here, one made with a popsicle stick, and the other one made by trimming down a bottle cap. Our first step is going to be cutting around the inside lip of this bottle cap. The second step is to poke a hole into the bottle cap and make a cross cut through that hole just large enough for the stem of the tree to fit through the base. And push that tree into the base. Oops, I forgot to add hot glue to the list of things you'll need. With that tree through the base, we can now start applying hot glue to the underside. It will help hold it in place and provide a counterweight so that it can stand without tipping over. After that glue is cooled, we can move on to gluing the top of the base. This will add more support so that way the tree won't come out of the base, and at this point we can also add texture in a kind of root system by dragging the hot glue tip from the base of the tree to the edge. The only thing left to do now is paint the base and add any other embellishments that you want. You can mix it up and add variety, making these bigger with more trees, or having them small with fewer trees. Just have fun with it.
If you enjoyed this content and you want to see more, please like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I post new content. As always, have fun, be creative, and happy hobbying.